find the x-intercepts, let y equal 0. So you get 0 equals x squared minus 2x plus 9. And that will not factor, so you have to use the quadratic formula with a equal 1, b equal negative 2, c equals 9. And the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So plug in a for 1 for a, negative 2 for b, and c would be 9. So that would be negative of the negative 2 would be a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Square that, you get positive 4 minus 4 times a times c, which is 9, all over 2 times a, which would be 2. And that's negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times 9 is 36, all over 2. And this will give you a negative number underneath the radical. You cannot take the square root of a negative number. It's not a real number. So what that means, there are no x-intercepts. There's none. Now to find your y-intercepts, you would let x equals 0. And that gives you y equals 0 squared minus 2x plus 9. And so your y-intercept is 9. So what that means is your vertex is somewhere up here where your parabola starts, and then it opens up. And so it opens up because this leading coefficient is positive, so it makes sense that there's not any x-intercepts.